Here is the help and navigation tip to use Packet Tracer, Cisco Packet Tracer. Click on to the tab Cisco Packet Tracer and you will get the tool open for you. This white window is used for configuring for drawing the network. This is the frame available where you can draw your network. At the left bottom there are different devices available like routers, switch, different types of cables. Okay, now you can choose according to your requirement, uh, and for every device there are different versions of that particular device is available with different configurations. Like for router we have multiple configurations are available. To check whether the simulation is working fine or not, we have simulation tab. You can click on the play to check the flow of packets. You can reset your simulation. You can choose the protocols which you want to evaluate or to check under the simulation. So different protocols are available with the IPv4 and IPv6 versions. Now to draw the network, you can choose the device and just perform either double click on that particular device, or you can do the drag and drop option as well. To connect two devices, you have to choose the cable from this particular tool, and then click on to the router or switch which you have selected earlier. Then you have to select the mode in which or interface in which you want to connect that particular cable. See here I have selected gigabit from router 0 as well as from the router 1. You can choose PCs which can be used to configure those routers. Like PC 0 I have chosen to connect it to the router 0, and PC 1 for router 1. And through console cable I have connected router 0 with PC 0 and router 1 with PC 1. So for the console connection you can choose the console interface. Now to go for the configuration, click on to the device with the router, router 0, router 1. From the config tab you can perform the configuration through GUI window, graphical user interface. From CLI tab you can do the same configuration through the commands, that is the command line window. Here you can perform the dynamic configuration for routing as well as the static configurations. The first tab, the physical tab, shows how many ports are available here with that particular router uh, for different types of connections. Okay. Now to perform the configuration with the PC, click on to the PC. You can perform the configuration with IPv4 as well as IPv6 gateways with both the features, that is static configuration and the dynamic DHCP configuration. You can assign the IP addresses for static configuration from the desktop tab, and after selecting the IP configuration. So this is the general overview how you have to select the devices for your network configuration, and how you can access the configuration window for those devices in Packet Tracer. To check the simulation, you have to click play button on the simulation tab, and it will show you the running scenario of the that particular network. To save your uh, network with the configuration, you have to perform save as with PKT extension.